light to all the queen goddesses, to all the beautiful, lovely star seeds, to all my fellow king gods who see the God in me. I see you. I truly, truly love you, my people. The video I'm going to play for you next, my people, is just to show you that there are not airplanes that's flying in the sky. Not all of them anyway. Now listen, when the sun is rising and when the sun is setting, especially when it's being eclipsed, when we're being eclipsed in darkness and it has the bigger ships up there, they're flying these drone or holographic airplanes in the sky, and they are taking pictures. They are watching. You understand? They are watching for something. I don't know what they're watching for, but again, all I did, you're gonna see, I zoomed up to the airplane, and I never changed my focus again. I never zoomed back. I never zoomed forward, and it kept going in and out, and it was changing shapes. So again, my people, stay tuned to the video. We are in a great, amazing time. Our star family, Mother Universe, is showing you your greatness and showing you what's taking place here on this planet. Their time is up. All other races, you can continue to use cognitive dissonance all you want. Your creator created you here on earth, you understand? And your creator is running for the motherfucking hills and leaving you here and making you believe that there is an alien race that's on its way here, and you have to arm yourself to protect Earth. That's all just like America. That's like the military fighting for freedom. Fighting for freedom. You really believe you fucking fighting for freedom? Are you serious? Yo, this is retarded, man. Yo, I love you, my people. Stay tuned to the video. Peace, love, and light to all the queen goddesses, to all the beautiful, lovely star seeds, to all my fellow king gods who see the God in me. I see you. I truly love you, my people.
Love and hate can never be friends. Oh no. Oh no. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of our life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be whipped by the feathers and leave up huge children. Oh yeah, leave up past children. Yeah. My head is anointed and my cup